One of the biggest reasons people avoid buying a used BMW is the fear of what happens after the factory warranty expires. It's easy to assume that's when the expensive problems begin, but that's not always how it works. In fact, for some BMW models, the end of the warranty is exactly when they become the smartest buy. By that point, the biggest depreciation has already happened, prices become far more attractive, and you're getting a premium driving experience that would have cost tens of thousands more just a few years earlier. The key, however, is knowing which models continue to deliver outstanding value once the warranty is gone. In today's video, we're counting down 4 BMWs that actually get better after the warranty ends. Not because the cars change, but because the value they offer becomes almost impossible to ignore. If you're looking for the perfect balance between luxury, performance, and smart spending, make sure you stay until the end, because our number one pick might completely change the way you think about buying a used BMW. If there's one BMW that perfectly demonstrates why waiting until the warranty expires can actually work in your favor, it's the G30 Generation 530i. When new, it carried a premium price that placed it well into luxury territory. But once those first few years pass, depreciation does what it always does, and suddenly, buyers can own one of BMW's most refined executive sedans for thousands less than its original sticker price. That's when the 530i starts making more sense than ever. Under the hood is BMW's well-proven 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 engine, paired with the outstanding ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. While it doesn't deliver the effortless punch of the 6-cylinder models, it offers more than enough performance for everyday driving, while keeping fuel economy and ownership costs significantly more manageable. For many buyers, that's actually the smarter balance. You still get the smooth, confident driving dynamics BMW is known for, without paying the premium that comes with larger engines. What really changes after the warranty ends isn't the car, it's the value. A well-maintained 530i that once cost luxury car money can often be found for the price of a new mainstream family sedan. Yet every time you climb inside, it still feels unmistakably premium. The cabin remains quiet, the seats are exceptionally comfortable, the technology still feels modern, and the overall build quality reminds you why the 5 Series has long been considered one of the benchmarks in its class. Many examples on the used market are also generously equipped. Features like adaptive LED headlights, a digital instrument cluster, heated leather seats, Harman Kardon audio, head-up display, parking assistance, and BMW's iDrive system transform every drive into an experience that still feels current, despite the car already being several years old. Compared to many brand-new non-luxury sedans at the same price point, the 530i simply offers a level of refinement that's difficult to match. Of course, buying after the warranty expires doesn't mean buying blindly. A complete service history, regular oil changes, and evidence of proper maintenance remain essential. But that's exactly why this car deserves to be here. Instead of paying for the steepest years of depreciation yourself, you let the first owner absorb that cost while you enjoy nearly the same luxury, comfort, and driving experience for far less money. The G30 530i proves that sometimes the smartest time to buy a BMW isn't when it's brand new, it's after the warranty is gone, when the value finally catches up to the car itself. Some BMWs become more attractive simply because they get cheaper. The 430i Gran Coupe is different. It becomes a better buy because almost nothing about it feels outdated once the warranty expires. Even after a few years on the road, it still looks like a brand new luxury car, making it one of the smartest purchases for buyers who want modern styling, premium technology, and everyday practicality without paying new car prices. One of its biggest strengths is its design. The sleek 4-door coupe profile gives it a far more distinctive appearance than a traditional sedan, while still offering the convenience of 4 doors and a large hatchback cargo area. It strikes a rare balance between style and practicality, giving owners something that feels more exclusive than a typical compact luxury car without sacrificing everyday usability. Power comes from BMW's proven 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 engine. producing smooth, responsive acceleration that's more than enough for daily driving. Paired with the excellent 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, the drivetrain feels refined, efficient, and predictable. It may not be the fastest BMW in the lineup, but that's not really the point. The 430i Gran Coupe is about delivering an upscale driving experience that's easy to live with every single day, while keeping long-term ownership costs more reasonable than many higher performance models. Inside, the G26 feels surprisingly advanced for a used vehicle. Depending on the model year and options, buyers can enjoy BMW's curved display, the latest generation of iDrive, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, digital instrumentation, premium driver assistance features, and a cabin built with the high-quality materials expected from a modern BMW. It's one of those cars where passengers often assume it's much newer and much more expensive than it actually is. This is exactly why it becomes even more appealing after the warranty ends. The first owner absorbs the biggest depreciation hit, but the second owner still gets a car that looks contemporary, drives like a premium sports sedan, and offers technology that remains competitive with many brand-new luxury vehicles. Find one with a documented maintenance history and a thorough pre-purchase inspection, and the 430i Gran Coupe becomes one of those rare used BMWs that feels like you're getting far more than what you paid for. It's proof that sometimes the best time to buy a luxury car is after someone else has already paid the price of buying it new. Sports cars usually come with compromises. They can be impractical, expensive to own, or simply too specialized for everyday driving. The BMW Z4 sDrive 30i manages to avoid most of those drawbacks, which is exactly why it becomes such an appealing purchase once the factory warranty expires. After the initial depreciation has taken its toll, you're left with a premium roadster that still delivers a genuinely special driving experience without carrying the intimidating price tag it had when new. At the heart of the Z4 is BMW's highly respected 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 engine, producing lively performance that's perfectly matched to the car's lightweight chassis. While some buyers immediately look toward the more powerful M40i, the sDrive 30i is arguably the smarter choice for most owners. It offers plenty of acceleration for spirited driving, excellent fuel efficiency for a sports car, and lower ownership costs over the long run. Combined with BMW's superb 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, every drive feels smooth, responsive, and effortlessly enjoyable. What really makes the Z4 stand out is its character. This isn't simply a smaller BMW, it's a car designed to make every drive feel like an occasion. The low seating position, rear-wheel drive layout, quick steering, and near-perfect balance create an engaging driving experience that's becoming increasingly rare in today's market. Even an ordinary drive to work can feel rewarding when the road opens up and the top comes down. The cabin also deserves plenty of credit. Despite being a dedicated sports car, the Z4 doesn't force owners to sacrifice comfort or technology. The interior feels upscale, with supportive seats, premium materials, BMW's intuitive iDrive system, digital displays, and excellent overall build quality. It still looks and feels thoroughly modern, meaning buyers aren't giving up much compared to purchasing a brand new luxury roadster. Perhaps the biggest reason the Z4 gets better after the warranty ends is simple economics. When it was new, many buyers struggled to justify paying premium roadster prices. Today, depreciation has made that conversation much easier. Instead of spending new car money, buyers can own one of BMW's most distinctive and enjoyable modern vehicles for significantly less, while still benefiting from proven mechanical components and excellent reliability from the B48 powertrain. As long as maintenance records are solid and the car has been properly cared for, the G29 Z4 sDrive 30i becomes one of those rare sports cars that feels every bit as exciting as it did when it left the showroom. Only now, it finally makes financial sense. Luxury SUV coupes have always occupied a unique place in the market. They're more expensive than traditional SUVs, more stylish than most crossovers, and often overlooked because buyers assume they're paying extra just for the design. That's exactly why the BMW X4 xDrive 30i becomes such a compelling purchase after the factory warranty expires. Once depreciation has done the heavy lifting, you can enjoy one of BMW's most distinctive SUVs for a price that suddenly makes a lot more sense. The facelifted G02, introduced for the 2022 model year, benefits from updated styling, a more modern interior, and significant technology improvements that help it feel remarkably current. Even today, it doesn't give the impression of being an older luxury vehicle. The sleek coupe-inspired roofline, aggressive front fascia, and athletic proportions still attract attention, making the X4 feel more exclusive than many similarly priced SUVs on the used market. Power comes from BMW's dependable 2.0-liter turbocharged B48 engine, delivering smooth performance that's perfectly suited to everyday driving. It's responsive in city traffic, confident on the highway, and paired with the outstanding 8-speed ZF automatic transmission that BMW owners have come to appreciate. Add the intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system, and the X4 offers reassuring traction and stability in virtually every driving condition while maintaining the balanced handling that separates BMW from many luxury SUV competitors. Step inside, and it's easy to see why this SUV continues to age so well. The updated cabin features BMW's latest infotainment technology, premium materials, supportive seats, and a driver-focused layout that feels both sophisticated and intuitive. Depending on the configuration, buyers can also enjoy features like a head-up display, Harman Kardon audio, adaptive cruise control, heated seats, wireless smartphone integration, and advanced driver assistance systems, equipment that still competes with many brand-new luxury SUVs. What truly makes the X4 a better buy after the warranty expires is how dramatically the value proposition changes. The driving experience, design, and technology remain almost identical to when it was new, but the price tells a completely different story. The first owner absorbs the steepest depreciation, leaving the second owner with an SUV that still feels modern, premium, and genuinely enjoyable to drive without paying the premium of buying new. Find a well-maintained example with a documented service history, and the X4 xDrive 30i becomes a perfect example of why some BMWs actually become more appealing once the warranty is gone. The vehicle itself hasn't improved, but the deal certainly has. Thanks for watching. As you've seen, the end of a BMW's factory warranty doesn't have to be something to fear. In many cases, it's actually the moment when these cars offer their greatest value. The biggest depreciation has already happened, but the luxury, performance, technology, and driving experience are still very much intact. The secret isn't avoiding used BMWs. It's knowing which ones continue to reward their owners long after the warranty has expired. If you enjoyed this countdown, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which BMW would you feel comfortable buying after the warranty ends, and which one do you think offers the best value today? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.